Hey guys, this is Rajit. I have created this playlist where I explain and solve the top 50 most asked Java 8 interview coding questions. I have split this series into multiple parts, and in each video we will cover 5 coding questions. If you solve all these 50 questions, your interview will be boom. If you are new to this channel, please support us by subscribing and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Without wasting time, let's get started with our first question. The first question is find the duplicates in a list. Okay. So we have given a list that contains the duplicates. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. Okay. In this list 1 and 2 are the duplicates. So output will be 1 and 2. Okay. We can solve this by using multiple approach, but I will show the optimized approach, that is by using set which will take only the unique elements, and by using filter method which will filter out the elements based on the conditions, true or false. Okay. So what I will do is I'll iterate over the list. After that I will add each element to the set. So that is by using set dot add method. Okay. So this add method will return true if we are able to add a element to the set. If we are not able to add, then it will return false. Okay. I will pass this method inside filter. Okay. So that based on the condition it will filter out. Let's see the coding part. I will take the input in list. Arrays dot as list of. I'll copy. Yeah. Now I will take set of integers. I will iterate over list using stream, that is list dot stream dot filter. Now I will pass the predicate. Here I will add each element to the set using add method. Set dot add. I'll use the not operator to get the duplicates, and let's print the duplicates now using a for each method. Let's run and see the output. Yeah, you can see 1 and 2 are the duplicates. Second question is find out all the numbers starting with 5. We have given a list 11, 12, 35, 51, 53. Okay. So here we need to find out the numbers which is starting with the 5. Okay, that means 51 and 53 are the output. Okay. To solve this, we'll use filter method. Then we'll convert all these elements into string, and in string we have a inbuilt method called starts with. So using this we can solve. So I will show the coding part now. I'll take the input in list of integers, arrays dot as list. Now I will iterate over list using stream dot filter. So I will convert the integer into string first using a toString method. Then I will use starts with the inbuilt method. So starts with the 5. Yeah. Let's print the output now. Yeah, you can see 51 and 53 are the output. Third question is find the maximum and minimum element. Okay. We have given a list 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In this list, we need to find the maximum element and minimum element. So minimum is 1 and maximum is 5. So to solve this, we will use inbuilt min method and max method. But the return type of these two methods are optional. Okay. Let's see the coding part now. I'll take the input in a list of integers, arrays dot as list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will iterate over list using stream list dot stream of dot we have inbuilt method max, and I will pass integer dot compare to method inside max. The return type of max method is optional. Now let's see for minimum list dot stream of dot min method. Again I will pass integer dot compare to method. Let's print the output. Here I will use or else method. And for minimum min dot or else. Let's run. Yeah, max is 5 and min is 1. Fourth question is find out all the even and odd numbers. Okay. So we have given a list list 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. In this list, we have to find out even numbers and odd numbers. Okay. So to solve this, I'll use filter method, and I will pass the condition inside the filter as 2. Okay. So this will return the reminders. Okay. So if the number is odd, it will return 1 as a reminder. If the number is even, it will return 0 as a number. So I will pass this condition inside filter. Let's see the coding part now. I'll take the input in list of integers, arrays dot as list. So I will iterate over list dot stream of dot filter. I will apply the condition here. This is for E1. The condition is e percentage 2 equal to 0, and for odd e percentage equal to 1. I'll replace 0 with 1. Yeah, let's run and see the output. You can see even and odd numbers. Fifth question is check array contains duplicate values or not. Okay, we have given a array. Okay, we need to find whether this array contains duplicate or not. Okay, to solve this I will find the length of the array by using a dot length inbuilt method. Okay, then I will use a distinct method which will return only the distinct elements. Okay, after this I'll use count method. Okay, which will return the count of the elements. Okay, so now I will compare this result with this result. Okay, if it is equal, then there is no duplicate values. If it is not equal, then there are duplicate elements in the array. Let's see the coding part now. I will take the input in array, that is 1 2 3 1 2 5. Now I will use arrays dot stream of. I'll pass array, and I will use a distinct method dot distinct dot count. I will compare this with the length of array. If it is equal, then it contains does not contain any duplicates. No duplicates. If it is not equal, array contains duplicates. In the given input, there are duplicates. So let's run and see. Yeah, we can see array contains duplicates.